So the bookbinding class we teach here at the University of Central Florida covers everything from basic, simple bookbinding, traditional folded books, up to Eastern bindings, all the way up to traditional Western bindings like you'd see at a library. I feel that it's important for students to learn about bookbinding or take the bookbinding class because it introduces them or even reminds them the simple facts of where books and paper that they use every day, where it comes from. During the semester, the classes make several visits to the UCF Library Special Collection. The collection is a large research source of support for book arts students. They also sponsor a book arts competition where the winners have their books cataloged and added to the permanent collection.